All right, boys and girls, so this is our second round of sight words. I added 10 new sight words to the end. These are all words we have been going over in class, so they should be easy. If you're struggling with any of these sight words, I want you to write them on a piece of paper and post them somewhere in your house. And every time you walk past that word, I want you to touch it, say it, spell it. So write the word on a piece of paper, say the word is the, leave it on the wall. When you pass it, touch the piece of paper, say the, T-H-E, the, and then walk away. And that's how you're going to practice all the sight words that you might need a little extra with. And then you can practice this every morning as well. So you can say them with me or you can repeat after me. I, can, we, the, at, am, it, up, yes, no, like, a, see, go, in, of, us, by, eat, was, to, have, is, on, be, play, come, big, one, has, are, for, you, this, here, she, run, off, so, want. So this is what you're going to practice every day this week, all 40 of these. And as you get to know them, and you don't need to hang them on your wall anymore, you can take them down. You have to say it 10 times without any help. And that means you're ready to take that word down. All right, if you need any help, you can reach out to me. Keep practicing and keep reading.